I want to thank you all for checking out my channel and subscribing. Really appreciate everybody that likes my content, trying to bring better content all the time. As well as I'm trying to bring awareness of my product, these Holdi-Locks products. They're a kit where you can do just about any hairdo, as you can see on some of my videos. I don't like to speak on video because I get tongue-tied. Sorry about that. But I also wanted to show that with this Holdi-Locks, you see these nice curves, and it's a real thin, flexible product. It can help you trace any contour on your eyebrow or on your eyelid, so you can apply eyeliner and your eyebrow pencil a lot easier. If you look at my eyes, I've got really sunk in eyes, especially in the very corners where I like to wing that eyeliner, but I have an absolute difficult time getting in there because I have to go down in deep, and it's like I got a real high eyebrow bone right there. So I have a very difficult time getting brushes or crayons in there, and my eyes are extremely sensitive. I even had an infection in this eye because I work as a machinist and the coolant splashed in my eye and I didn't get it rinsed out enough and it created an infection. I got like this dye and I'm still working on it. But you know, I do recommend that you wash these thoroughly before you use it near your eyes or anywhere else. I mean, it's just common sense, but it's a washable material because it's this TPU 90 and it's very durable and it's waterproof. That's the nice thing about it. If you go swimming, it ain't gonna get all soggy on you. So I just wanted to show you how I put my eyebrow pencil on first. I don't use a very dark eyebrow pencil, and I'm not a makeup artist by any means. I need one. But for me, you know, I try to like get ready quickly because I don't like to spend a lot of time with makeup. If you look at this, it has a nice little edge that resembles the beginning frame of your eyebrow. And if you put it right up to your eyebrow, I can't really see too well because it's my phone, but you know, you put it right up like this, it helps you give yourself a stencil to go above it if you wanted to go above your brow line. You see how it kind of creates that, and then because it's this way on both sides, you can just slide it over and then you can align it to the corner of your brow and fill in that little brow line so that it creates that initial step. And if you don't like that arch at the back, the larger one has more of a smooth radius, which will help you get to the back. This is where my eyebrows kind of like die off a little bit in the back, but it's nice to have a way to make it symmetrical because you can just put it from one side to the other and just align it. You know, you can use your imagination with how your eyebrows are and how you want to darken your eyebrows and trace. That's just the first part, you know, doing the eyebrows. You know, you can see it's a lot darker than it was. I don't know how to put makeup on, but this really helps me with my dexterity because I'll always go way above or way below, and then my eyes don't look symmetrical. And I found out that this works great for, you know, controlling your eye movement. Like when you're putting your eyeliner on, which I am terrible, I have to admit, I'm not an expert by any means. However, you know, in a pinch, because I do Zoom calls and I try to do videos and I try to look human. So what I do now that I've realized that, you know, this has that nice little contour, and it's even got a straight edge. So it depends on how your eye is. You just lay it right on your eyelashes so that you're right above. Man, this is hard to see because I got the light flashing in my eye. But you see, you just kind of like line it. And, you know, I'm going to make mistakes because I'm looking directly into a light bulb. You know, it's, but, you know, you get the point. You just kind of like lay it on your eyelid like this, and it's nice. You can compress your eye, keep it steady. And like I say, my eyes are very strange. They're very deep set, so it's very hard to get into the crevice over there. And especially with this light, it's very, very bright. And so, yeah, just kind of showing you how it helps you like touch your eye without touching your eyelashes. And it gives you a nice, easy way to create those little wispy wings. And you can also use it underneath your eye like this to do the outside corner. I really don't like to get anything near my eyes too much, but you know, it'll save you a lot of time applying makeup because, you know, once you get that hang of where it's going to land and how it's going to hit your eye, you don't have to do so much holding your breath and everything. It just naturally goes on there nice, and you know, you don't have to touch up so much. You know, it won't smear all over the bottom. So that's part of the eye process, and you could also do it for your lips and whatever. Another nice thing about it is when you're putting your mascara on, you know how your mascara kind of, you know, will hit the brow or whatever. With this, you can protect your brow line while you're applying your mascara. So, you know, and you get in there, you don't have to worry about hitting anything. It'll hit the unit instead of your face. I always have a hard time because, like I say, my eyelashes are so deep in there that, you know, it helps you, you know, keep things from smudging on your face so you don't have to keep washing your face off and getting those little mistakes off of your face. But there's my tutorial of another use for Holdi-Locks, and they wash right off. You could use just a regular wet rag with, you know, rubber nail color or whatever and just wipe them off, or you can just wash them with soap and water, and depends on the type of makeup you got. You know, you might need to use your eye mascara remover. Then they're also ready for your hair. And I got like a little band in the back. I don't know if you see it, but this little band has that little sparkly thing. I hope you can see that. I'm not very good at aiming my hair, but you know, if you wanted to decorate your bun, you know, you got that little bling cover. You can just wrap it around your bun when you're done, and you know, if you want the back of your hair to have that bling cover. And just remember, it could be your team logo, it could be whatever you're trying to, you know, express yourself with. I mean, if you love cats or horses or whatever, if it's on a band, you just buckle it in. I'll show you what I mean by the buckle. With a Holdi-Locks like this, you can just buckle it into these little slots, and whatever you're trying to decorate your hair with is just a matter of buckling it in. And you know, if you want to put this under your hair or whatever, you know, it's just that versatile. And you could pin jewelry on it. You could do all kinds of cool things. Like I say, the sky's the limit. A lot of people like my rhinestone buckle. These are all available on bfemark.com. And, you know, the beauty of these things is that, you know, it can be buttoned on. It can be pinned on. You know, you can put it in the front and just pin it through your bun too. You put the pokey end through your bun, and you could pin decoration like this into your bun too, and you know, fasten it like that if you wanted to have a little more of a sparkly bun and hairdo. I've put them on ponytails too. I mean, a small one with the button band, you know, you can strap it above your ponytail and make it look a little more like, you know, one of those Renaissance genie shows or whatever. So there you go. I mean, just think about all the time you can save, and the best part about it is it keeps your hair snug all day long without tangles. When you remove it, your hair's got a nice wave to it. If your hair is extremely curly, it can control your curls to where it's forming waves. And if you like waves because you are like me with straight as an arrow hair, it's really nice that you don't have to use flat irons or hot rollers afterwards. You can just wear this while you're doing chores, and when you're ready to go out, your hair is already done. Okay, thank you. You take care now. Thanks so much for watching my channel. Bye-bye.